Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Doc Swiffy channel. So today we are back with a brand new Firestick, Fire TV, Cube, Firestick update for theatre movies, additional content and loads of free to watch content, all for your movies and some TV show stuff in there as well. What I need today though is your guys' help. I need you to tell me if you've got it on your device. I am running a 4K Firestick Max, and it is updated and it's there with the latest update. It's also on my Fire TV Cube and it's also on my Firestick 4K, and I'm in the UK. So you guys in the comments, let me know underneath if you have it as well. And we've got this brand new feature, shall we say, from Amazon with their latest update called Home Premiere, which gives you a lot of great content. And it's quite hard to find and quite tricky to find. I've tried many different options, which we will go through on this video, and we will see what we find. So, before you do that, if you can, do remember to hit that subscribe button. Drop that comment underneath. We do everything here for streaming, whether it's setting up a Fire Stick, streaming device, some of those apps you might not be allowed to have, but you might want to have, all here on the right channel. You will find it, I'm sure. All depends on your different country you're in. So hit that subscribe button, drop me that comment, and if you're a regular watcher, do hit me that share button. I haven't released for a few days because I've been under the weather, as you can hear. So, this is Home Premiere. Home Premiere brings you lots of different movies, whether it's renting or free to watch, as we got further down, plus content. So in here we've got the likes of Black Adam, which is recently out at the cinema, Cool Jane, never heard of personally, and loads of other films in here, Halloween Ends. So it's some of the closer to cinema releases out on your device. So it's not in your normal Prime as such. It's called Home Premiere, and they're all in here. Loads of stuff, loads of different things, and it's only come with the latest update. I will show you how to update in a minute if you haven't got it. Obviously, it shows you available to buy or rent wherever you are around the world, different prices, and we know there's different places to watch this content, okay? But you've also got free to watch bonus content, which has come with the latest update. So Blackout 10-minute preview, from soul to screen, and then you've got featured content for this other movie. You've got bonus stuff for the Batman, sneak peek the Batman, extended previews for Jurassic World, lots, loads of bonus content for Top Gun, Matrix. It's just lots of content in here which isn't in your normal Prime. And I know this might not be for everybody, but it was another little feature we thought we'd have a little look at. As you can see, loads in there, loads. Interview with the director. You've got loads of stuff from DC Universe, DC Comics, new movie, our biggest new releases of the year. So you've got these films in here like Sonic 2 and all that sort of stuff. But a lot of these you do have to pay for. You've got your watch options, but you do have to pay for them. It's a feature that Amazon have bought. Do we need this feature? Not 100% sure. Spider-Verse movies, Jurassic World. Okay, so there's not masses in here, but under this Home Premiere, as many times you click it, there is content in here. I don't think there's enough on the free to watch, but for some of you who may not have the best access to other applications, you might not have your services paid for, whichever way you do it, whether it's official or however else you do it, not for me to say, you can come here and rent a movie or a film instead of going to the theatre or cinema. They are here for you. So again, you could get Black Adam, don't. The film, I've watched half of it, it's dreadful. You could get Halloween Ends. Again, it's $15.99 to rent, which I think is outrageous. I don't know how long you get it for. 48 hours for $15.99 is shocking. Personally, you should own it for that. I don't even know how much it would be because it's early release. But if you went to the cinema, you would pay $7.99, $8.99 a ticket. So it's not too bad, but you see, it's a feature here. To find this feature, I've tried a few different ways. So you can go into your search. You can type... I can't remember what I just said it was called. What was it called? It's also up here in my adverts, put it that way. Home Premiere. So you can go in and try and search if you don't see it in the advert top and type Home Premiere. I typed Home Premiere. Let's keep looking. There he is, Home Premiere. And I got it this way. You get the movies, but you don't seem to get all the other features, which makes it quite tricky to find everything they're offering. Again, you can see that part, but where's all that special options? Okay, so it's Dumbledore. You got to watch the trailer, more ways to watch, but you're not seeing all the features which we were offered finding it through the advert. There's the bonus feature. You might have to search a little bit within there. It's not as easy laid out. So again, the best way I found it, again, let me know in the comments whether you found it in yours. Home Premiere, found it in my advert above, part of Prime Video. Couldn't find it in the Prime Video app itself. Then you find a bit more in there. Personally, is this a good feature? Not yet. It needs to add more. They've already got Freevee, which is another Amazon Prime app which is full of free content, which you can click. We don't have a clickable for Home Premiere yet, apart from the advert. So is it worth, like, I'm not going to rent Black Adam for $15.99. I'd rather go to the cinema if I was going to pay out for it, because I'll see it on the big screen and everything like that. I know some people don't like to go to the cinema, and I know there's obviously other ways out there to watch it as well. But is it a good feature? Probably not this time, Amazon. But if you did want to see if you've got it, obviously you need to be updated. There's many new features coming regularly. Some are amazing, some aren't so good. But what you need to do is go to your settings, go to My Fire TV, click on About, and then underneath you can check for updates, okay? As you see, mine is fully updated. I like to keep mine updated because of these new updates. If I ever see one which is at risk to you guys on side loading or doing anything else on your Fire Stick, I would let you know. That's why it's worth subscribing. I would recommend it for the security updates, everything like that as well. All on there. Brilliant. Let me know your thoughts on that one. Let me know if you've got the update. I can't see myself using it, but we're here to bring you the updates, good or bad. That's what we're here for. Right, quickly, before we go, remember to subscribe to the channel. Obviously, you might find other ways to watch films. We've bought you loads of apps. We bring you lots of official apps all on the channel, and how to set up your Fire Stick as well. And a quick word from one of our partners. If you are after a VPN, IPVanish VPN is a partner of ours. They are linked directly underneath. We bring you our partner at the end of a video, so you can watch the content you want. But if you are after the special offer we've got for our VPN, we have linked it at the end for you. Ideally, the best offer is their yearly offer of $3.19. A VPN is used for your online security, so you can use it on a Fire Stick, Fire TV, your mobile phone, any other devices. Unlimited devices with IPVanish, that's what makes them very, very good. You build at $3.19 a month. Bargain at the current deal. If that price has changed, the link you will follow underneath will be the cheapest price. So we can't argue with that. We are affiliated with them, so obviously if you need a VPN, it does help support the channel. If not, just search IPVanish on your own accord. It's fine with us. We're not getting millions out of $3.19 for your sign up there. So not a problem. Brilliant. So, I've been Doc Squiffy. This is the Doc Squiffy channel. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think of Home Premiere. It's not one for me, but let's see what we get on the next update. I will keep you updated. Do hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.